And here I have a tilapia fillet. You can choose another type of white fish as well. I prefer tilapia because it has firmer meat, you know? To make this recipe, cut here into pieces. They don't have to be equal pieces. Cut like this. About this size. And this recipe is for one person. Season with a little bit of salt, black pepper, and vinegar, which I'll spray a bit. Mix. And let it rest for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, cornstarch, about 3 heaping teaspoons. Mix. You don't need to make the cornstarch cover every part of the tilapia fish. It will look like this. A little bit of oil, medium to low heat, put all the fish in. We'll fry it slowly, which is why we used only a little oil. That way, it gets really sticky, exactly because of the cornstarch. But that's just how it is. Fry until it's nicely golden, then flip it over. Now just flip it over. It's really quick. All nice and golden. Let's take it out and use the same pan to make the sauce. It's a really spicy sauce. It's a Korean chili sauce called gochujang. Just wipe with a cloth to remove excess oil. And here we're going to grate 1 clove of garlic, and the same amount of ginger, which will give a really special flavor to our sauce. I always use ginger in my recipes, which, besides adding flavor, is also good for your health. Here I grated everything together. Four tablespoons of soy sauce, the ginger and the garlic. Here, 1 teaspoon of honey. Done. A drizzle of toasted sesame oil. A heaping teaspoon of gochujang, which is Korean paste, the Korean chili paste. Now just turn the heat to medium-low, mix well, and let it come to a boil. It's started to boil. Let's leave it like this for about 1 minute to 1.5 minutes. Now just turn it off. And add our fish. Mix well so that the sauce covers all the fish. Very tasty and quite spicy. If you want it less spicy, just add half a spoon, just half a teaspoon of gochujang chili paste. Or if you don't have gochujang, you can use any other type of chili you have at home, even Calabrian chili flakes. There you go, a little bit of sesame seeds. green onions. Our tilapia with gochujang sauce is ready. Simple, easy, and very tasty. For those who like something spicy, it's a great tip.